Hey y'all, so this video is basically just going to be explaining tips and tricks that I do when I touch up on my clients for their textured faux locks. Right here I'm just using Design Essentials aloe vera and peppermint shampoo along with one of those hair dyeing brushes, and I just get in between the scalp and make sure to just scrub all over just so it can be clean before I start rewrapping new hair on top of it. The next thing I'm going to do is basically grab a rag and just a clear bowl of water and just get in between her scalp and just basically, I guess, give it like a rinse without actually rinsing it off like underneath a faucet or shower. Now, before starting on her faux locks and rewrapping those roots, I'm going to make sure that her roots are absolutely dry, just so that I can rewrap on top of dried hair and not on top of wet hair. I don't think that would be the best thing to do, so I just make sure that her hair is dry 100%. I usually leave them underneath a dryer. It would be way easier, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to use my blow dryer. Right here, I'm just going to be applying my Shine and Jam and using my comb just to stretch out those roots and then rewrap on top of it. Right here, one of her locks needs to be revamped. So basically, I'm just going to slide that lock back up. I'm going to connect it together and basically kind of band-aid it with a new piece of hair. Just making sure that the top and that bottom piece meet. Here's another lock that needs to be fixed. It's sliding up and down and just needs to be reconnected. I'm going to just grab a small piece of hair, make sure that those two pieces meet again, and then band-aid it, of course, with another piece of hair.